Welcome to episode 57 of 100 Days of Data. I'm Jonas, an AI professor, here to explore the foundations of data in AI with you.
And I, Amy, an AI consultant, excited to bring these concepts to life with stories and practical insights. Glad you're joining us.
Imagine opening Netflix or Spotify, and right away the app seems to know exactly what you want to watch or listen to next. That's no accident. It's AI working behind the scenes to understand your taste.
Yeah, it's like having a personal DJ or movie curator in your pocket. But how do these platforms actually figure out what you like? What's the secret sauce behind those recommendations?
Let's start with the core concept, recommendations. In AI, recommendation systems use your data and preferences to predict what you might enjoy. These systems power personalization, which tailors content to each individual user.
And personalization is huge in entertainment. Without it, platforms would just show the same generic content to everyone, which no one wants. Netflix, Spotify, even YouTube, they all want to keep you engaged by offering content that feels handpicked.
Exactly, Amy. The earliest recommendation approaches date back to the 1990s. At the time, companies realized that simply listing all options wasn't efficient. They needed methods to filter vast content collections based on user interests.
That's when collaborative filtering came in, right? Netflix famously used it in their recommendation engine, the idea that you might like something because others with similar tastes liked it as well.
Precisely. Collaborative filtering analyzes user behavior, like your viewing or listening history, and finds patterns. It then recommends items that similar users enjoyed. It's like asking a group of friends with shared tastes for suggestions.
This approach is powerful, but has some challenges. For example, new users or brand new content don't have data yet, known as the cold start problem. And sometimes recommendations can get repetitive, sometimes called the filter bubble.
To address these, platforms combine collaborative filtering with content-based filtering. Content-based methods look at the attributes of the media itself, like genre, actors, or tempo, and recommend similar items based on what you've liked before.
So Spotify doesn't just look at your playlists, it analyzes the song's characteristics, the beat, key, mood, to suggest tracks with a similar feel. This multi-layered approach makes recommendations more nuanced.
And beyond that, advanced systems use hybrid models, combining collaborative and content data alongside deep learning techniques. These allow them to capture complex patterns and make more accurate predictions.
I remember a client in the automotive infotainment space who wanted to personalize music streaming in cars. They used a mix of contexts like time of day and driving conditions with user preferences to curate playlists. It's fascinating how AI goes beyond just past choices to understand situational context.
That's a great example of personalization evolving beyond static profiles. Modern AI can also incorporate contextual bandits, a type of model that learns and adapts recommendations in real time based on user reactions.
Yes, and companies constantly A/B test recommendation algorithms to see which ones keep users engaged longer or reduce churn. The business impact is clear. Better recommendations lead to higher user satisfaction and more subscription renewals.
Historically, recommendation systems shattered the notion of one-size-fits-all entertainment. Instead, AI enables every user to have a uniquely tailored experience, improving both user happiness and platform retention.
And the scope is expanding. Look at video games now. AI recommends in-game content or challenges based on a player's style, or at streaming services that even suggest when to watch something to fit your schedule.
Underlying these systems is data, lots of it. User interactions, content metadata, contextual signals. The quality, variety, and volume of data are crucial for robust recommendations.
Which brings up privacy concerns. Platforms have to balance personalization with respecting user data. For example, Spotify lets users control data sharing settings, which affects the type of recommendations they get.
Right, and techniques like federated learning are emerging, where models learn from data locally on your device, not on centralized servers, protecting privacy while improving personalization.
So many moving pieces. It's clear AI in entertainment is about much more than just guessing what you like. It's a sophisticated dance of algorithms, data, and real-time feedback.
To summarize, recommendation systems use collaborative and content-based filtering, hybrid models, and often deep learning to personalize entertainment experiences.
And in practice, this personalization drives engagement, satisfaction, and revenue for companies, while also creating a more enjoyable experience for users.
Key takeaway? AI-powered recommendations transform entertainment by turning overwhelming choices into personalized experiences tailored just for you.
And remember, behind every because you watched or curated playlist is a complex AI system constantly learning and adapting to your tastes. That's the magic of data in entertainment.
Next episode, we'll dive into AI and manufacturing to see how data is changing production lines and supply chains.
If you're enjoying this, please like or rate us 5 stars in your podcast app. We love hearing your feedback and questions, some of which might even make it into future episodes.
Until tomorrow, stay curious, stay data-driven.